Yeah, today we come on Milestone. They are CLM. Right now be. See the sign there. The sign there. Nice place. Food nice. Alright, soldier, alright, soldier, alright, soldier. Soldier, them a call to me. Yeah. 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 Nice place. Yeah. Sign there. Go easy, huh? I look the food nice. It's the first time I come over here still. But if I go up on the step and smell the food, so see the Range Rover there. Alright.
Milestone Restaurant, Sports Bar and Grill.
Alright, thanks. This a whole heap of rum now.
And guess what today is?
Today Annie's birthday.
Yours truly, birthday. Queen's birthday.
Queen Annie's birthday.
Yeah.
And this look like a whole heap of rum because she took too much rum in it now.
So that's your one?
Not so much rum.
So better than hold it.
I hold it, man. So you have to look on the top. Go there. Pina colada.
Great old white cranberry.
Yeah, order.
I ordered almond crusted salmon, and you're getting sweet and sour fish with shrimp.
You better make sure you say sweet and sour fish because I never hear about sweet and sour. Then you tell me if you alright.
Yeah,
I never hear about sweet and sour fish yet, you know.
Sweet and sour fish, but from China restaurant.
Eh? So you got them there. Up on the road there's some nice. Get to dinner. Yeah. So me in the mountain. See the mountain there? Like they catch a mountain. Where? Oh yeah. See them? Yeah. A pit bull them, you know? Pit bull them.
I like them.
Yes, I like them.
Come on, them too vicious.
Yeah. So today on the birthday.
On the birthday, girls' day.
I eat salmon.
Salmon.
I made fish and rice and peas. That's what I'm boring. I eat rice and peas.
As usual. I do that as usual. See? Sexy up today.
And you're so sexy, I look man.
Yes. No, I have one already. I have all I need. Yes, birthday settings. Birthday settings. Right, so guys, we've started. So we have appetizers, saltfish fritters, and buffalo wings, and trust me, so delicious. So delicious, tasty, well seasoned, and nice. So, dinner going good so far.
Same meal, what is again, Annie?
Sweet and sour fish and shrimp, rice
and
peas, almond crusted salmon with herb mashed potatoes and steamed veg.
Which one of them nice, sir?
Mine is gonna be nice.
I'll find out.
Mine is
Today where do you got them?
Sharp Botanical Garden and Fall.
In Ultra-Race, as usual. So make a show around there. Wow. Guys, guess what? Please like, share, and
Subscribe.
and remember to watch the
Ads.
ads, yeah? Over and out. Very nice, man. Can you imagine you have a house right there, sir?
Look bad. You have the
backdrop.
the backdrop. Over here, so yeah, the part here. I'm catching picture of the
Yeah, can take a picture, yes, sir. A gun. This is overlook watch it. Go out and stand there for me where I go.
Go up.
Go down. Clear, man.
Oh, don't make me look yes, look back.
It's nice. Check it. Don't gonna watch it. Don't gonna watch it. I would say Jamaica not pretty. Only one problem Jamaica have. They want me to be the Prime Minister. If me be the Prime Minister in Jamaica, remember me tell them, man, we have a whole heap of investor coming to this. Remember me tell you, give me 4 years, just 4. Nice, man. Alright. I don't know who could have this place and not use it.
Sharp Park, Botanical Gardens and Falls. It's so nice. Only one me do. But what is there to be done? My God. That sounds good. Yeah, man. Yeah. Relaxing, man. Come from way up the side now. Wow. Water look like snow. Med one shot.
Honey, you give them they get cut, it's 2 times.
I never think of them there. I think of cotton. I don't a cotton.
Then there. Put it on the cut and try it and
Oh, I wrong one, but the thing then. I never them the one that made the thing.